Phil is an AI entrepreneur who just received a $2,000 contract from a company to train and identify filled versus empty coffee cups using an AI for a vending machine use case. His team goes out and clicks pictures of two datasets, one with empty cups and the other with cups filled with coffee. They train the AI using 80% of the images and test it on the remaining 20%. Then commit the code with a 100% success rate. Excited, Phil shares the code with his client, whose testing team then takes it and tests it using their images. They, however, report that not only the AI does not perform as desired, but there is a near zero success rate. Phil is confused. "But it works with our datasets," he exclaimed. Faced with this rejection, he directs his team for further inspection. And finally, one of his engineers discovers that within the datasets used to train the AI, there was a stark distinction between the background tables, which were blue in the empty cup dataset and red in the filled cup dataset. And the AI was classifying background tables as red versus blue instead of classifying coffee mugs as filled or empty. Replace this problem of identifying coffee mugs with identifying battle tanks or cancer cells, and it suddenly becomes evidently clear why understanding what happens in an AI black box is important, and why developing trust in AI is an essential component in the next generation AI systems. This story highlights one of the issues with black box AI model, harmful bias. Some other components are lack of explainability, interpretability, safety, cybersecurity, privacy, and high computational costs. To help tackle these problems, a new trustworthy subset of AI is required. And that brings us to the definition. What is trustworthy AI? AI is perceived as trustworthy by its users, example, customers, organizations, society, etc., when it is developed, deployed, and used in ways that not only ensure its compliance with all relevant laws and its robustness, but especially its adherence to general ethical principles. So, how is it different? Trustworthy AI is different as it inculcates certain trust principles, which change from country to country, but Thebes et al. Identifies 5 common themes. First is beneficence. It refers to the development, deployment, and use of AI that is beneficial to humanity and the planet, in the sense that it promotes the well-being of humans and environment and respects basic human rights. Non-maleficence. It advocates the development, deployment, and use of AI such that it avoids bringing harm to people. Third is autonomy, implementing proper oversight mechanisms, example, keeping the human in loop, to ensure autonomy when embedding AI into their electronic services and products. Justice, identifying, quantifying, mitigating, or even avoiding racial or other bias in AI-based system. And the final pillar is explicability. It entails the creation of explainable AI by producing more interpretable AI models, whilst maintaining high levels of performance and accuracy. In its ethical sense, explicability comprises the creation of accountable AI. For further info or clarification, here are the references that went into creating this video. And P.S. The coffee mug story is a heavily modified version of the neural network tanks example that is extensively used to highlight pitfalls of AI in the neural network circles. I just felt it wanted more coffee in this video. Thank you.